Hello everybody, welcome to the Solid 2017. Last section we learned that how to open the SolidWorks and how to go to the drawing section. In this section I will tell you uh, line with dimension, and also we will learn that changing and editing sketch. Okay, let's start. Uh, from here you can go to the sketching part. How would you part? This is the part section. We will double click here. This is the interface of our drawing. That now we are going to make a geometry. So how can we make a geometry? uh, First, before drawing or before making geometry anything else, first we have to choose a plan. uh, Last section I have told you that we have three plan: front plan, top plan, and right plan. And whatever we are making, we need a plan. So first we have to choose a plan that where I am making my drawing. So I will choose here top plan, just right click here and go to the sketch. Okay, so now we have plan here, and now I'm going to sketch something here. So I will take my line command is here. Okay, you can see here, and I will go to the, here is three line command: line, center line, and midline. In midline I did not tell you last section, but I will tell you next section. Okay, so I will take a command, line command. Okay, so how will you start your line? You can click your left click anywhere from where you want to start. If you want to start from here, so you can click here, but this is my origin point, so I will start from here. I will click here, so my I start my line. You can see here that the yellow dot, what does it mean? That it's mean that the line is horizontal. Okay, uh, if if my line is not horizontal and it creates a degree, now it's creating the 90 degree. It's mean that we have the angle, if we will make the angle, it is 90 degree. Okay, so if I will go ahead little bit, it will disappear. The yellow dot will not appear now. Okay, so go straight. It's a horizontal vertical line. Okay, click here and straight line. Again I'm going to straight line, click again. Okay, again I'm going to start. Now I'm going to go ahead. Okay, so it's line, my line is creating, but if I go to the come back, what will happen? You can see here, come back and go ahead again. So you may see here that my line has been changed into the circle. Okay, and now I can make a circle here also, you may see here. Okay, but we will learn next section that how to create the circle. So this is circle with the command of line. So go ahead, vertical line, and this is my horizontal line. And also I can click here, and if I need a circle here, so I will just go ahead little bit and come back again, and now it will create a circle. Okay, and now I will finish my line command here. Okay, so now I have made a geometry, but I am in command now. Okay, so how will I leave the command? I just here right click here and use select. Okay, so now I am not in command, I do not have any command. Okay, so this is my geometry I made. So now it does not have any dimension, so now I need to give it give the dimension here. So what would I do? We have dimension command here, it has many dimension, but we will learn smart dimension. So first I will click here smart dimension and click on the line and drag it. Just the dimension will appear here. it has 2 or 3 ways. One way is here, that go ahead, dimension will increase, and you want to decrease your dimension, so click here. Okay, also it is increase and decrease from here. You can see here that, but if you want to give the specific dimension, you have to put here the dimension, that how much dimension you can put here. Suppose I want this 100 millimeter, and click. So its dimension is 100 millimeter. Okay, okay, now I will change this dimension. Click here, and 150. Okay, what is the dimension of it? Radius. This is called our radius. You know, I hope so, that 50. Okay, and I will go here 150, 100, 70, and I will go here 10 millimeter radius, and it's also 60 here. Okay, so now the geometry is ready and it is fully defined. How will you come to know that my drawing is fully defined, my geometry is fully defined? You can see here that there is a written fully defined geometry. If it is not fully defined, you may go here, display and delete relation, and there is option. It's not coming now, but here is option, fully defined option. You can go from here. So I hope so that this is very, this is not good, so I will give the 20 millimeter. Okay, now it's better. Okay, so this is my geometry. So now I want to come out from here in the drawing section. So okay, so what do I have to do? And I want to leave this command. So what do I have to do? Right click here and click select here. When I select here, so I don't have any command, I have leave the all command. Whatever command you have, you just have to right click here and select here. You will leave your command. Okay, so if you want to leave this area, okay, sketching area, this is called sketching area. You want to sketch something, that you have to sketch here. Okay, so what do you have to do? The one option is here, you may click here. Okay, the second option is here, exit sketch. Okay, so if I click here, so I come out from here. Okay, the all dimension is disappear. So now I am ready to make this object into 3D object, but we will learn next video that how to create 3D object. Okay, so now if I want to rename this this object, so we have this sketch. Okay, and what do I have to do? Just right click here, and here is the option rename. If you want to edit something, you can edit from here, like that. It is 100 millimeter, so I can change here 90. Okay, and again I have click here. Okay, and if I want to rename this sketch, so I can feature property. I will go to the feature property, and here part 1, part 1. Okay, thank you so much everybody to watch my video, and please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you.